Oh, hello everyone. Hello. So it's a new video today on cotton suits. Now today is going to be a huge variety because we're going to start with our Uru suits, with one of which I'm wearing in this our classic maroon color. It's been very popular all year round, and all thanks to you guys who've given us such great response. So we're going to start with Uru, which is 5,800, and then we're going to just go with some more cotton suits, premium cotton suits, some dupattas. So it's going to be a beautiful mix and hope you're going to like it. So let's start out with Uru, and this is the first color that we do have in our Uru. The second, I should say, right? The first I'm wearing. So this is our second color. Now these are pure cotton suits. These are 100% cotton suits, Banarsi cotton suits, and these have been woven in this jacquard style. So it's a self design, and we have four colors in these available. You can see this. These are three, and the fourth one I'm wearing. I'm going to just show it to you here as well. This is the fourth color, and I'm going to open up these pieces and show you how they really look. These are complete three-piece suits with kurta, bottom, and dupatta. And I'm going to show it to you one by one. Now this one, let's keep this at the side. One second. Now let's get started. Yes, so this one is a shade of blue. You can see that it's muted. The design is all over the design. These are very subtle shades, and you can see these hand woven designs on all of these. Look at these tassels, handmade tassels, really beautiful, adds to the complete charm of this suit. So this is our first suit in cotton, and this is the bottom. So this is a complete 2.5 kurta, 2.5 dupatta, and 2.5 bottom, complete suits, and this one is for 5,800. Now moving on to the next color, which is the subtle shade of gray. All of these colors have been very popular. Uru was launched, I think, somewhere in August, and since then we have been doing many rounds of these, and they're beautiful and great response thanks to all of you who are doing. We've been seeing this. I know many of you have gotten many colors in this. Look at this gray, very subtle. That's the beauty. And you can see the tassels, you can see the dupatta, you can see all the work that's happened. And this is our color 2 in Uru. And moving on to the next, which is this shade, and you can see these are, of course my tassel has been done too. I have gotten some, you can see here, I've gotten some thread work done on it, done on the kurta at the front. I think even on the bottom, on the pockets, the pictures are all there online. So these suits are great, to dress up, to kind of do some styling, wear it differently. I have done a comfortable long kurta style, where I can wear it to work, I can wear it, to some small event outside on a casual day. I think these can be worn in many ways, and that's the beauty of it. This is the next color of Uru, and this is a very nice different shade. It's a pale shade, as you can see, of pink. Some may call it purple, and you can see that, yes, the tassels, the beautiful tassels which have been done, which I think really kind of adds charm to these cotton suits. Many of you have used it for gifting, for self-wear, picked up number of colors. Either ways, these are great. These are pure cotton Uru woven suits with these designs all over it. And of course, this is the bottom. And this is the last color. I'm just going to show it to you. This is the last color which I'm also wearing, and this design in the kurta in the bottom. I'm going to show you this because I'm wearing this. Look at how soft this is. This is really soft, very easy to wear. You can see the drape. It's a cotton which is very nice, very wearable. And yes, so we do these premium qualities of cotton, and this is one of them. For this is of course a suit set. We have premium cotton fabrics, and of course we have so these were woven as sets. They're complete suit sets, and that's how we sell them. We are also going to be showing you combinations, and those are also really different and colorful. for all of these seasons coming up, which is spring and summer. Winter is still going on at many places in India. But yes, so what are we going to start out with next? I'm wondering, okay, let's start with this. These are pure Kora suits. Look at this, look at the colors. This is a beautiful shade of green. These are pure Kora suits, Kora cotton suits, which has been hand woven, and we have so many colors in this. I'm going to show it to you one by one. This pale yellow, and then we have a very soft, very soft lavender shade. It's very soft. Look at the tassels. Okay, and we have many more shades, but I'm going to do this one by one, show you these pieces. Look at this, starting out with this. Now the great thing about this is the kurta is 3 meters, and you can see this is pure cotton with some zari. So the zari bit makes it, of course, stand out. It looks, richer because of the zari element. It also means that you can wear it again in many different ways. Now this one is 11,800. We have pictures of this, so you can just DM us and we'll send you the pictures. You can see the gold border here. Use it on the kurta, on the sleeves. We have bottom of this in plain. Now this is cotton silk. So I'm going to just let me try opening one of these dupattas and show it to you. So these have a certain grace, but you can see, and that's why I'm pleating these for you to see that they still have a wonderful fall. So in spite of it being cotton and Kora, some of us kind of, associate it with stiffness or, fabric which is not very easy or soft to wear. But these are, just look at them. They are very easy to wear, very beautiful, and these are 11,800 for the complete suit set with this zari. So I would really recommend using some, some gold piping, some ari work, something on it to just like take it to a different level. Then it starts to look very dressy. But if you're planning to wear it, in a simpler way, then of course you can, there's no need for anything to be done. It's, beautiful as it is. This is a green with, again, all the zari that is here is light gold. Yeah, so if you have that question, this is light gold. Now you can see this is the kurta, all summer colors, evening colors, day colors. Ye iska bottom hai. Make a sharara over it, make a long kurta with it, and wear this. So these suits, so many ways of really dressing up depending on what you have in mind for them. Now look at this, and this is the second color. This is a beautiful shade of green. We have the pictures of all of these, so just ask us and I will send the picture to you. Now this is a lavender color. Look at this, hope it's clear. All of these videos that you see are all done in natural light, so yes, there's no artificial light. This is beautiful how it falls, the entire zari. Have a look at this, the entire zari in this beautiful shade of lavender. I love the softness of this color, and of course the contrast with zari. So that is what stands out the most, is this contrast with zari. And look at this. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Very soft, but of course it has that feel. It's cotton, to just say ye hai, but that's the charm, right? You don't want it to fall flat because it's cotton. You're wearing it for a reason, and this is, so it's like, how organza has its own texture. These cottons have their own texture. But having said that, that doesn't mean it's stiff or, it will make you look fluffy. Not at all. On the contrary, I think they look very graceful. So this is another shade, a very nice shade coming up, which is a blue. Yes, such a lovely blue. It's a sky blue color. Look at this beautiful color. I just love it. I love this color. It's a really nice soft color, and I'm going to show this to you. Yes, here. So look at this, and with this you have this. Yes, so this is a suit, this is a suit set, and this is the dupatta. in zigzag design. We have pictures of these. You can, ask us for them. Look at this. This is the complete suit set. 11,800 for the complete suit, pure cotton, hand woven suits. And this is another shade of slightly, very, very different, slight difference. You could call that shade 1 and then you could call this shade 2. Very slight difference. Yes, this zari at the end, and then at the very end to use for borders. I think you can just use it in many interesting ways, which will make it look dressier than it already is. Now this is, yes, here it is. This is your lavender 2, I would say, and this is the fabric for the bottom. So this is the complete suit. These are, I know a lot of you have weddings, and of course for just casual wear. This is a lime green color. It's beautiful with gold again. And this is the kurta that I'm holding. I'm going to show you now the dupatta. This is the dupatta. Yes. So look at this. Let me open this kurta a bit for you to see. Yeah. Here it is. This very nice in a lime green, very fresh color, and you can see this how it looks. So this one, and we have a last two colors. There is a shade of gray and there is a shade of gold. So let's do this. I'm going to show you the gold first. These are pure Kora cotton suits. This is a perfect gold. If you can see, it's a perfect gold. Such gold is, it's always very hard to make and very hard to make it look elegant, but these Kora suits manage for both of those. Look at that. Yes. So this is the dupatta, this is the kurta. Very soft materials and extra. This is, look at this. Many of you ask us for the bottoms. Here is this. You can have a look at this. So this one, yes. And moving on to the next, we are going to be doing some dupattas first. So let's do some dupattas. And these dupattas are colorful, and I think that's all that you need is a base, a solid base to wear with them, and I think they would look wonderful. So these are, now this one is a Moonga dupatta, and what's beautiful is of course the color. Look at the color. It really is a contrast. It's a dotted design which has been woven, and look at these tassels. Yes, so beautiful tassels in green and a lavender. Now you could wear this. So this one is a silver color. This is a silver color running. The dots are, as you can see, this one is a Moonga. So wear it with this green or a lavender or a silver or just with a plain solid black. Either ways, look at the tassels. It's so beautifully done. The charm to these dupattas, I think, triple folds, if not only double folds, when you wear it, with these tassels, which are all handmade. And look at this. So this one is in organza. Look at this. The color on it's a really nice shade of brown, and this. So wear it with a red, wear it with this brown shade, wear it with a gold, as either ways, very graceful, very beautiful. Let me open one of these and show you of how they look. Look at this. So it has that organza fluff, but these are really pretty. I'm going to put this dupatta aside for it to be easier for me to show you. Yes, now look at this. So this is organza, and you can see the unique texture and color. So imagine yourself wearing this over a red, over a black, over a brown solid silk suit. We can give you matching silks with these. So if that's what you want, you're looking for silks, then we can do that. We can give you solid silks with these. Let's do the black first. I love the black. Look at this. I think the tassels, can you see the tassels here? Here, yes. The tassels, the look of a contrast. I think it's fun. These dupattas are really fun, easy to wear. All of these, yes, sorry, I forgot to mention the price. all of these dupattas are 10,800. And look at this. Yes. Yes. So, sorry, I think it's 9,800. So, on the pricing, you can just DM us. I think it's 98, 10,800, one of the two. I do so many pieces every day in these videos, so forgive me for that if I'm mistaken, but I will anyways. Once you've seen it, I will let you know on the price. But meanwhile, do have a look at the pieces themselves. Yes. So this is a beautiful shade of orange with this very, very royal blue. And here for you to see. Yes, these orange, and look at this royal blue. Now wear it with a royal blue, wear it with this orange or a yellow, and really makes your day kind of bright. So wonderful for all those kind of casual day wears that you like look for. But I would strongly recommend a solid bold color with it. This case, of course, just think of wearing a pink, another beautiful piece in a royal blue and pink, a classic Banarsi color, if I may say so. Classic Banarsi combination. I'm going to fold it and show these tassels to you, show this entire look of the dupatta. Yes, beautiful with this pink, blue. If you're looking to complete certain outfits, these are also great for that. So yeah, I know, like, we try to kind of complete outfits that we may already have. It's a very, very common, we're constantly providing combinations. We also ask you to see our Facebook page, Instagram page. So if this video is something that you're seeing it for the first time, how to place an order, the page, Instagram page and Facebook page, both the pages have our links. Look at how beautifully it sits, how beautifully it falls. Yes, so you can see the pleating. Let me do it again to show you, because I did a double. Now I'm going to do a single. So even if you're wearing it, for a kind of a lehenga or something, it will look really pretty. I'm going to fold it. This one is a Munga one, and you can see I'm going to make these pleats for you just to see how they look. Yeah, and I could do it entirely. I love pleating these fabrics which sit so beautifully. Look at this. Yeah. So you can now wear it, in any way. You can just pleat it up on a lehenga. You can wear it like this. It's very roughly done, but still you get an idea. You get the idea. You get this, see the tassels, and you get the look. Yeah. So this was for the dupatta, munga and kora with this woven design, handmade tassels. And going on to the next, we are going to go to a lot of summer suits. Yes. So many summer suits for you in pure cotton. And I'm going to show you the combinations. Look at this. This is pure cotton, and this is pure cotton dupatta with it. This is 880 per meter. These dupattas are also, yes, I'll let you know the price on these. So look at this. I want to show you these combinations. So soft. This has a touch of white, and it's a very light mango color, and I think it looks beautiful. So look at this one. And I was saying earlier, if you haven't placed an order with us, we are on Facebook and Instagram, and all you need to do is you can DM us, or you can look at this. So this is a combination. This is a combination of very fluffy, great for regular wear. So this as complete suits it. We'll give you a bottom also in the base color or in white, whatever you wish. So these are great. You can also buy them as a two-piece set. That's also possible. Look at this orange, so beautiful. It's really very soft cotton and very manageable, very easy to wear for your regular wear. So this one is the second one. And as I was saying, if you haven't placed an order with us, then all you need to do is DM us or WhatsApp us. Our WhatsApp numbers are mentioned all over the pages on Instagram, Facebook. There is a WhatsApp link. You can just click on that, and you can see you can see the numbers and you can reach our WhatsApp account directly. Check the availability. If you are placing an order from this video, just take a screenshot and send us the picture. Check the availability price. We'll send you the mode of payment for these and you can make the payment and we'll ship it to you. It's that simple as that. Look at this gorgeous combination of pure cotton woven dupatta with this pure cotton hand woven fabric together. I think it looks amazing in a yellow combination. Look at this. Yes. Moving on to the next. This is again, all of these are pure cotton, but they are woven, and so that adds to the charm, which means that you can wear it in many ways. Look at this. Look at this. This one is really soft. I want to show you this. Very soft. Very soft to wear. And look at that buta. So look at this. Yes, and this fabric also I'm going to open up and show it to you. It's beautiful. It's you can see the weaving. It's done with Meena, and I want to show you a single to show. Yeah, see, this is how soft it is. So very soft options, and these are all pure cotton. This dupatta, the earlier yellow, this one, the same one, 4,200. The fabric, this one is 880 per meter. We will make an entire suit set for you. Look at this soft peach. It's beautiful with this light gold. Look at this. Yes, so this is a suit set. We'll give you the bottom in gold or in this base peach. And yes, moving on to the next. Okay, so these are our premium suits at the very end. So this is a Moonga silk kurta, and look at this dupatta with it. I'm going to show you the dupatta with this one. Look, this is a Moonga silk fabric. This is a Moonga silk woven fabric with, you can see the Sona Rupa, you can see the Zari. Now this is all double because it's my bottom bhi hai, which is also pure Moonga. Now you can see the fabric. Yes, so this is your pure Moonga fabric, and with this we have a stunning dupatta. I can't find it, but it's stunning. So look at this, and then you can see the Banarsi. Oh, look at this Banarsi hand woven pure cotton, premium, with lots of Meena, with lots of colors here. This beautiful piece with this dupatta. It's a gorgeous combination. You can wear this kurta in many ways. You can wear this dupatta in many ways. It's beautiful. I'm just opening this to show you. Look at the color. It's so stunning. Look at this. And yes, very soft. Premium range of dupattas. And look at this one. Yeah. So this, with this Moonga silk kurta, you can take it as a set. You can also take it separately, but it's beautiful as a set. Just imagine this gold and this. So it's beautiful with plain Moonga bottom that's available. And on to the next. Now we have our nets, our silk nets. So look at this orange color. This is with lot of zari, and that's so beautiful. And this big design, Banarsi design. Look at this. It's so, I think the color, it just speaks for itself, how it brightens up your day, your face, because when you wear orange, when you wear a yellow, it just kind of shines on your face. So look at this. This is a pure net silk. Now let me try to fold it and show it to you. The tassels have not been done, but the tassels will be done in the exact same way as it has been done in the earlier piece. Now let me try showing this to you. Yes. So look at this orange, bold, big flowers. The tassels will be done exactly like how it's been done for this, and with in gold, of course. And you can see the zari. It's so rich and it's so funky, I feel, with the big design. This we've paired up with this chundri design, raw silk and hot pink. So this is a perfect, if you're visiting someone, or if you're going for a wedding or a function, I think this one is perfect for it. Look at this hot pink combination with this dupatta. It's beautiful because of the combination, but because of this design and this goldness, really can't resist opening it once more and showing it to you. I just love how it kind of makes you feel makes you feel so, wow with the zari. Okay, the next one is a complete contrast, because this is a non-zari one. So you will see the same dupatta. Now this is the very soft, very elegant. Wear it to any dinner, formal events, even office, you can wear it. This is completely different. Now this is a pastel pink. You can see the soft pastel pink. This is the silk with it. Same on same with this would look amazing. If a kurta, you do a kurta in this. This is the fabric. Now iske saath, look at this. Now this dupatta is different. It's very funky again because of the big bold designs. Look at this. I can't even kind of fit it in this. It's so cool. And this very, very soft net. You can see this. This is all silk net. But this one is with resham. Look at this. Very different. And this one, of course, I can wear it on this. So you can wear it in a maroon. But I think, so you can get an idea. Let me now fold it and show it to you properly. I'm just kind of playing with it because it's so beautiful. But yes. So this cool design over it, big large flowers over it with this pink suit. Yes, so this is it, and hope you liked this one. Hope you liked all the pieces. You can DM us and check us the prices of these. In case I've not mentioned them, you can just check for the prices. You can send a screenshot. Hope you have liked watching these. They were, I think, suits and dupattas and premium cotton suits, and so all ranges in that one. Hope you've liked this one. Don't forget to DM us or WhatsApp us for details on this video and place your order. I'm Vibhuti, founder of Neve, and I hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.